that the only number from 0 to 1000 that has the letter A in it is 1000. 0 is the only Roman number that is not included in the Roman number.
Fact number 1. Do you know that the sum of digits of multiple of 9 is always 9? Fact number 2. Do you know that no square of any whole number ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8?
Recite a poem on our favorite subject, mathematics. So let's start. Numbers all around, everywhere they can be found. Numbers tell me how old I am and how many people in my family. Numbers all around, everywhere they can be found. Numbers tell me how much I weigh and also where I live.
Math starts to you. Did you know that if you shuffle a deck of cards, it is more than likely that the order of cards you get has never been seen in the history of entire universe? Did you know that the word 100 comes from an old Norse word 100, which actually means 120 and not 100?
The great mathematician Pythagoras. Pythagoras, the ancient Greek mathematician and philosopher, was a visionary that believed that the universe could be understood and explained with the help of numbers. Born around 570 BCE on the island of Samos, he is most famously known for the creation of the Pythagorean theorem, which relates the sides of a right triangle. But his influence goes far beyond geometry.
Ancient Indian mathematician named Bodhayan. He was one of the oldest Indian mathematicians. His contribution was portrayed in his creation Bodhayan Sulba Sutra. One of the shlok from his creation Sulba Sutra is Dirgh Chaturasya Kshanya Rajju Parshvamani Tiryagmani Chayat Pratak Bhute Kurtastadubhyam Karoti. This translates as a rope stretched along the diagonal produces an area with horizontal and vertical sides. This was indeed a very impactful discovery in our mathematical history.
Caprego's constant 6174. An utterly random number for us is one of the most important elements in fields such as number theory, cryptology, algorithmic checking and data correction programs. 6174, more commonly known as Caprego's constant, is named after its discoverer D.R. Capregar, a famous Indian mathematician. Dattatreya Ramachandra Capregar was an Indian mathematician as well as a teacher in Maharashtra. Though he lacked any formal teachings from an elite institute, he gave brilliant discoveries such as Capregar's number, self numbers, along with the constant that now bears his name.
Yatha Shikha Mayurinaha Naganam Madanayo Yatha Tadvat Vedanga Sastranam Ganitam Murdhani Sthitam. This means that just as the crest is the crowning glory of the peacock and the gem adorns the hood of the snake, mathematics stands as a pinnacle above all the branches of knowledge and sciences.